Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And if you notice, the angle is a little bit lower because I noticed that I lean forward to get closer to the mirror to see what I'm doing. And this is not visible much. But anyway, almost 2 days, a little over a day. Will grow, not too much. But anyway, for today, I'm gonna be using Cuba Libre by Cajun Blade, and it's a collab with Sean Steppenfield from Puerto Rico. Gotta love that flag. Cajun Blade, yeah. So it's inspired by the drink Cuba Libre. Also, matching sauce. Love the packaging on this one. It smells exactly like the drink. It's like bring me back to the college days. For the brush, I'm gonna use again my new Wald Coppervein Prototype A1 knot, already loaded. And for the razor, Sean and Eric are both straight razor guys, so I decided to pull my Dubl Duck Wonderedge. You can kind of see the Wonderedge. Beautiful engraving. Love the double ducks. 5/8. Already checked the edge just to make safe. I am not an expert in straight razor shaving, but I do enjoy it. I just drop them. I don't have stones or anything. I just drop them until they shave. But too much water. It's gonna be good. So today is Monday. I still don't know if I have work or not. But the boss hasn't sent any loads yet. I hate when that happens. It's like we got a couple of good weeks and then it dies down. Yeah, added too much water, but you know what? I'm gonna work it. This knot is super soft. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Looking forward to the shave. Sean lives in the city that I used to hang out in the west coast of Puerto Rico. And on the college days, on my college days actually, I used to go hang out in that city all the time. Get drunk and do stupid stuff. That's what college life is. Unless you take it serious. Fun times. Fun times. A lot of stupid shit was done. Yeah. Also, if I recall correctly, this is a new base from Eric. And it's already looking, look at that. It's already looking great. Well, don't waste it. Don't waste it. This is good stuff. Look at that. This is already ready. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more water because for straight razors, they recommend a pretty wet lather. Although I've been fine the way I've done it, but I'm no expert. As long as I get an enjoyable shave, I'm happy, but I am no expert at all. Also, works for me might not work for you. So, because we are all different. Oh yeah. Looking great. Oh yeah. Just dripping all over. I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it. Where is it? I lost it. Alright. It's been a while since I used a straight razor, but I used the shave head not so long ago. I found the straight razor to be easier for me. Then a shave head with a double edge. How double edge? Now I can tell you that this is not the sharpest edge, but it's enjoyable for me. Yeah, scratch my face a little bit there, but nothing serious. Put it on the silicone mat. Second pass. Oh yeah. Just a little scratch with the corner. That's one of the things that you have to watch out for. Straight razors and shave it. That corner will get you easy. Man, look at the lather. I get the rum, mainly the rum. It's a really nice scent. It might not be something that I want to be. I want to last a long time, especially as being a truck driver. I don't want to get stopped by a DOT inspector or whatever and be smelling like rum. But it brings back memories from the good old days. Now let's see how I do this. I love this razor. I think I got my best shave out of this one. I have a few double ducks Have a couple of gold edge, wonder edge, satin edge. No, I don't have the lifeline. Should have bought it when I saw it cheap. Because now it's, if you get it. If you find it, yeah, it's gonna be overpriced. Last time I checked. To be expected that I need myself on the mustache. A little bit of the mess on the mustache, but work. Great residual thickness. Let's check. Because the thing is, in my neck, my hair grows sideways, kind of diagonal, so Yeah. That's gonna be troll. I'm not gonna push it. Let's skip it. Just good enough. Just good enough. It's gonna be fine, Felipe. You don't have to go for a BBS all the time. Especially when you want to shave daily. Yeah, great scent. Great residual sweetness on the soap. And on the sauce or splash, obviously shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. It has lime and either menthol or mint. One of those. It's very, very refreshing. Very refreshing. Oh yeah. I can feel the menthol kicking on the lime. Very refreshing. The alcohol didn't burn that much, really. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Very moisturizing splash. Yeah, I can feel it. Oh, the menthol on the line, really nice. So, it was a great shave. Even though for the nukes, I nicked myself away. The menthol is kicking it. I nicked myself even with the double edge. I nicked myself with anything, so it doesn't matter. It was a great shave. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.